JAKCOM R4 is a multifunctional RFID fingerring. The built-in IC and ID modules can take the place of access card, parking card, membership card, shopping card, and other RFID cards. The built-in NFC module can realize a virtual call, SIM notification, business card sharing, memo sharing, other featured cloud services. Non-engraved surface is a sensing range of IC card module. Triangular engraved surface is a sensing range of ID card module. Upper equilateral triangle is a sensing range of number 1 NFC module. Lower equilateral triangle is a sensing range of number 2 NFC module. The read-write process of IC and ID card module is the same as ordinary cards within the sensing range of the IC and ID module. It can be authorized or copied by the corresponding dedicated read-write device. We highly recommend you to use JAKCOM RFID replicator for copying. The use process is the same as ordinary cards also. Just move IC and ID module to be close with a sensing range of reading device. Android mobile users should turn on the NFC function before use. iPhone users should confirm the phone model before used. Only those iPhone launched after September 2018 support NFC function, for example, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone 11, and etc. First start, please confirm the mobile phone has installed and log in WhatsApp. Scan the QR code of operating manual. Wait, automatically skip to WhatsApp and click to send the preset chat content. Click the link of your device homepage. Click the Add Device. Input the activation code corresponding to the NFC module. Click your device name to enter a function setting menu, and then just use the set module to touch the NFC sensing area of the cell phone to start the corresponding function. In general, the NFC induction area is located in the non-metallic area on the back of the cell phone. When the phone is reading NFC module, if it is prompted to select the default app to open, please select Web Browser.